Hello, this is Mike from eForms Keeper, and we are going to discuss how to remove a partial e4473. This is Bob. Bob was not aware that by default, the electronic 4473 feature in eForms Keeper is enabled. Bob started an e4473 and immediately canceled out of it. Now Bob wonders how come the firearm is not transferred. This is Tom. Tom thought he wanted to buy a 1022. But halfway through filling out the electronic 4473, he changed his mind. Now let's discuss how to fix the problems created by Bob and Tom. Go to eForms 4473, edit e4473 form, enter the firearm serial number of the serial number in question, click Find, select the row in the grid, right-click the selected row in the grid, select Delete e4473. For Bob's issue, we are going to click Transfer Firearms. If we click on Reports, Current Inventory, the firearm is no longer in inventory. For Tom's issue, we are going to click Return to Inventory. If we click on Reports, Current Inventory, we can see that the firearm in question is now back in inventory. We can also do a disposition search and see that the disposition that was canceled is still there, however in a void status, which is good for auditing purposes. You now know how to remove a partially completed e4473. This has been Mike from eForms Keeper, and you have an easy day.